In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use discussion mode to save credits while planning your app. If you're worried about using up too many credits while building, discussion mode is one of the simplest tools you can take advantage of. The main idea is very straightforward. Instead of jumping directly into creating screens, features, or database structures, you use a planning space first. Think of it like a sandbox for brainstorming. It gives you room to think through your app before you spend credits on the actual build. This is especially helpful when you're still figuring things out. Maybe you have a general app idea, but you're not fully sure which features you need, how your data should be organized, or what the best structure is for your project. That's exactly where discussion mode becomes useful. It lets you explore those questions without triggering the full building process. To use it, start by looking for a toggle or button labeled discussion or planning mode. The exact name may vary slightly depending on the interface, but the purpose is the same. Once you switch into that mode, you can begin asking planning questions in a clear, practical way. For example, you might ask something like, what features do I need for a catering app? That kind of question helps you map out the core functions your app may require before you start building anything. You can also ask more technical planning questions, such as how to organize your database if you expect to manage more than 50 clients. This is a great way to get guidance on structure and logic before committing credits to implementation. The reason this is so easy and so valuable is that it reduces trial and error. Instead of building first and then realizing you missed something important, you can think through the structure in advance. That means fewer revisions, fewer unnecessary builds, and better use of your available credits. A good tip here is to be as specific as possible when you ask your questions. The clearer your app idea, audience, and use case, the more useful the planning guidance will be. You're not building yet, so this is the perfect time to refine your ideas, compare options, and make smarter decisions. So if your goal is to protect your credits and still move your project forward, use discussion mode first. It's a simple planning step that can help you build with much more confidence once you're ready to move into the actual creation process.